In today's video, I am going to teach you how to close Getresponse account. Before you begin, it is a good idea to make sure you truly want to close your account, because closing an account can affect access to your campaigns, contacts, and account settings. Take a moment to check that you have saved any important information you might need later. Once you are ready, follow along slowly and match what you see on your screen. To start, you will click on your profile icon. The profile icon is usually located in the top area of the Getresponse website, often near your account name or in the top right corner. Look for an icon that represents your user profile, which might be a small avatar picture, a circle icon, or a person symbol. When you find it, click it once to open the account menu. This step matters because it is the entry point to account management options, including settings related to closing or handling your account. Next, from the menu that appears, you will choose the option called Manage Account. After you click your profile icon, scan the drop-down list carefully. You should see Manage Account as one of the selections. Click Manage Account to enter the area where account actions and controls are gathered. This is the place where Getresponse shows you the tools you need for account-related tasks, so it is important to select the correct option and not something similar, like Settings or Support. Now that you have opened Manage Account, you will focus on account history and session activity. The next part of the process is to review your login history, which helps you understand when and where your account has been accessed. Depending on what you see on the screen, look for a section related to login history. You may need to scroll slightly or check within the Manage Account area for the item labeled Login History. Once you find it, you will proceed to the Logout option for all accounts, which is the part that ensures you are signed out everywhere. After you locate login history, follow the prompts or links available in that section. The goal here is to confirm that the system is displaying the relevant login records for your account. If you see details such as device names, locations, or timestamps, that is simply informational and you do not need to change anything unless the interface specifically asks you to. The key point is that you are now in the right part of the account settings before signing out broadly. Then you will log out all account sessions. Look for a button or link that says Allow out all account or something very close to that wording. This option is designed to end active sessions across all devices or browsers you may have used. Click that option when you are ready. If the site asks for confirmation, approve it to complete the logout process. This step matters because it helps protect your account by ensuring no other sessions remain active. Once you have logged out all sessions, take a brief moment to ensure the page reflects the change. You may see a message confirming you have been signed out, or you may be returned to a login screen. If you are asked to sign in again, that is normal after logging out everything. At this point, you have completed the actions described in the instructions, and your account access is effectively cleared across active sessions. And that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.